All right, YouTube, I'm in the middle of washing my car right now, so I'm literally dressed like a bum. But I did tell a few subscribers. Now, I've been getting this comment a lot for the past few weeks, and it is how to lace your 1906 New Balances. And it's like, I don't understand. It's like, it's one of those things, like, I hope y'all watch this video because I don't think people care. But when I get 4 comments of, come on, man, show me, show me, show me, I feel like I'm obligated to do so. So without further ado, let me show you guys how I lace my 1906A New Balance. Let's get it. Alright, so as you can see, the strings on these shoes is kind of weird, but it kind of works in your favor. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Now, I wasn't a big fan of the lumpiness in the strings. Like, I just don't understand it. It's quite odd, but it kind of helps you guide your laces through the shoe. So it kind of works out in the end. So check this out, all right? Y'all ready? Let's do this. Now, originally, your strings come, they start off through here. We not messing with that. We're just gonna leave this alone. The whole sneaker is supposed to give off a, deconstruction look or whatever. So we're gonna keep it that way. So we're just gonna have this random tabs right here. Like this tab is right here. Like all these tabs are right here. Same deal. So we totally ignore this right here. Take our strings just like this, and we're gonna go always from the outside in, Watch. As you can see, I went from the outside in. Make sure your strings are even, and then you do that till you go all the way up to the top. Check this out. Now, as you're going up, keep it loose a little bit. You know what I mean? Give yourself a little bit of slack here. You know what I mean? Like, don't make it too tight, because then your sneakers is gonna look like it just came out the box and it's gonna look crazy. Now, on these 1906, we do have these random tabs right here. And this is to help pull your feet closer together, pull the shoe closer on your foot or whatever. We still loose lacing the job, all right? No difference. So what we do is, we're gonna go from the bottom, just like this. From the bottom, pull it through, bang. On this side, same thing, bottom, pull it through, bang, cross, same scenario, bottom, pull it through, chill, bottom, pull it through, chill. Now we still have our loose lace job. You see it? Still loose. Now we getting up to the top. We almost there. We only got 2 more loops to go to. Once again, outside, from the outside in, in, bang, bang, bang. See, it's loose lace. Same thing over here, outside, in, bang, bang, bang. All right, now we're right here at this eyelet right here. This is the one there's 1, 2, 3 on this little leather piece right here. We're gonna stop right here on this piece, and we're gonna go from the inside out. Ready? Inside, out. You got 2 lumps right here, boom, boom. Do it over here, same thing, inside, out, boom, boom, 2 lumps. Now you got a little bit of extra string right here, as you can see. You just make them even as you go all the way down, and boom, problem solved. You may need to pull this out one, just like that. There you go. That's how you lace your New Balance 1906As, just like this. So if you do have the basket case variation of this shoe, my man just got a black pair of these 1906As from like Social Status, I want to say. If you do have a pair, this is the best way, I think. This is the most cleanest way to lace this shoe, because it, keeps the shape. It makes it look a lot better. Even here, as you can see, I have the 1906 Whitaker groups. Like, once again, do a nice loose lace job on the shoe, keeps the shape, still look fire. You feel me? So this is how I lace my 1906. All right, now hopefully you guys liked that video, and yes, please, if you do lace your shoe the way that I laced mine today, find me on Instagram, find me on IG, please find me on IG and send me a picture of you lacing it the way that I laced it, so that you can make me feel like I didn't waste my time doing this video. You feel me? Leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, because it is your boy Mr. Entertainment bringing y'all this super high def ultimate ultra 4K entertainment for even new entertainment, y'all. Peace. Joy.